Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to study genetic engineering. First, build a solid foundation in core sciences. Genetic engineering relies heavily on understanding biology, chemistry, physics, and mathematics. Focus on molecular biology, biochemistry, and genetics. These subjects provide the essential framework for grasping complex genetic concepts and techniques. A strong base here makes advanced topics much clearer. Next, pursue higher education in a related field. A bachelor's degree in molecular biology, genetics, or bioengineering is crucial. For research or specialized roles, a master's or PhD is often required. Look for programs offering extensive lab work and research opportunities. Practical experience is invaluable for developing hands-on skills in genetic manipulation. Gaining practical experience is your third step. Familiarize yourself with essential laboratory techniques, including polymerase chain reaction, or PCR, and gel electrophoresis. Study gene editing technologies like CRISPR-Cas9, which are revolutionizing the field. Seek out internships, volunteer in research labs, or join academic projects. Hands-on application solidifies theoretical knowledge. Finally, stay current and build your professional network. The field of genetic engineering evolves rapidly, so regularly read scientific publications and attend conferences. Connect with researchers and professionals to learn about new developments and opportunities. Also, critically consider the ethical dimensions and societal impacts of genetic technologies. This holistic approach will prepare you for a successful career.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.